Well, Kling, it's great that we have a chance to revisit how things have been going on with you. When you started with us here, that was about a month ago.
Yes.
And with the holidays and the pandemics and everything, you finally made it back. In the last 2 weeks, we've had some regular
Yes.
treatments for you. Isn't it great?
Yes, I feel great, Doc.
So,
especially-
what started this up, and how did you end up coming here to get some results, and how long, more or less, has it taken you to feel some improvements?
Actually, long time I have this pain in my back and in my lumbar area. And then I've been checking so many chiropractics
Ah,
here in Cavite, but I found this ear clinic in Google and Facebook. So I just messaged many times and I hesitated to come here because it's quite far, but I took the chance because I know it's better to go to real chiropractic clinic because you have the x-ray and you are licensed, you are more experienced rather than the other that
so,
I'm afraid.
so a couple of weeks now already. How much improvements have you noticed?
My main concern is the thoracic. After the 2 weeks treatment,
Yeah.
I found some improvement. Only the lumbar part is still a need to do some improvement and some exercise.
Well, good. And we have a plan for that, so
Yeah.
we'll continue with that. Well, that's great. Well, let's go ahead and get you adjusted then.
Thank you.
Well, as usual, tapa. And relax. So you're adjusting here. So take your breath and out. Good. Ah, nice crunch. Teeth right up here. So let your shoulders again. And just let me bring your head a little bit to the side. So, tagilid sa kanan. Nice. Good. Force it down. Knee up like this. You're already used to the position.
Yes.
And then,
Oh,
okay, kaya. Again, okay.
nice feeling.
Sarap, sarap.
Sarap.
And this one here. So, dapat. Tapos na. Good. So the leg check, where we had found the right leg being shorter than the left, hindi problema na. It's all pantay every time now. So we see that there's a balance and stability. All right, now you can just relax. We are your pain relief authority. Come visit our clinics and experience Mabuhay today.